What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Capsule, a leather case for your Apple AirPods I picked up from andarwallets.com for $30 and $34 respectively. Out of 5 stars, the Capsule case gets 5 out of 5 out of 222 customer reviews. This case is available for versions 1 and 2 of the AirPods, as well as the AirPods Pro. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions, and I'm going to go over why a case like this is good to have for either the AirPods or the AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and first impressions and see the quality of these cases and exactly how they fit for the AirPods. So in front of us here today, I have the Capsule, a leather case for the Apple AirPods and Apple AirPods Pro. This particular color is whiskey brown. There are some pretty simple instructions to follow on the back. Really nothing more about this case other than how to install it and uninstall it. I think to start off, we're probably going to take a look at the AirPods Pro case here. There's actually a little tab at the very bottom here that you just pull up on, and the AirPods Pro case comes right out. And what I can tell you is this is my first time ever holding a leather case for the Apple AirPods Pro. It's kind of oily, which I'm not sure if that's a characteristic of leather or not, but it does have a little bit of a slick feel to it, which I like, and it does have a bit of a sheen, which I think you can pretty much make out on camera. Even though the case is leather, it's wrapped in leather, you'll notice that the inside is actually a shiny plastic, which I just want to point out the exceptional build quality of this case. The fit and finish of it is absolutely phenomenal. No blemishes or scratches or anything detached or falling apart here. Everything is really nicely done. You get the Andar logo embossed on the front of the case here. What's really nice about this case being molded plastic on the inside, just wrapped in leather, is you get really accurate cutouts here. You'll notice the cutout for the LED indicator light is pretty much a perfect circle. On top of that, you get some really nice character lines here. And at the bottom of the case, you get an open port for the lightning connector. Like I said, the inside of the case is a hard plastic. It's kind of a glossy plastic. Sliding it into the case is pretty much effortless, which is unlike a silicone case. And then the top of the case pretty much just sets right on top of the AirPods Pro. A complaint of mine in the past was that the top portion of the cases were not connected to the body of the case, but here Andar Wallets made sure to connect the lid of the AirPods Pro case to the body so that you don't lose the lid itself. And actually, this is kind of genius, because if you actually just sort of open the AirPods Pro, you can see that they sort of elevate out of the case, which is kind of really impressive and something that I'm not used to seeing. What actually is really beneficial about having a smooth leather case here is that it will slide in and out of a jean pocket or really any other type of pocket that you have. The AirPods Pro are already pocketable as they are, and the only thing that's missing is a protective case that is also pocketable, and I think Andar Wallets did a really phenomenal job here. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the case for the Apple AirPods and see what that's like. And just like with the AirPods Pro case, you pull up on a little tab and the case presents itself, and you can pretty much take it right out, which is awesome. What you'll notice is this case is pretty much exactly the same in terms of build quality. It is that glossy sheen leather finish. There's no scratches or blemishes that are visible currently, which is really awesome for only $30. Like I said, I can definitely see how these cases are getting 5 out of 5 stars. It is that molded plastic design wrapped in leather, which, like I said, with the AirPods Pro, will definitely come in handy when installing the AirPods or uninstalling them from this case, which is really nice. One thing that I do want to point out is if you do decide to purchase the second version of the AirPods, when Apple decided to move the LED charge light from the inside of the case to the outside of the case so that you can tell when it's wirelessly charging. You're not going to have that cutout on this case. For some reason, Andar Wallets did not include it. So for those of you, like I said, who are going for the version 2 AirPods that are wireless charging enabled, if you do pick up this case, it will cover up that LED indicator light on the front. No lanyard or carabiner clip here, but like I said, this really nice, glossy, smooth leather finish will slide in and out of your pocket easily, and it'll look good doing so. So anyways, guys, yeah, that was just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Capsule case I picked up from AndarWallets.com for $30 and $34 respectively. These cases combined get 5 out of 5 stars out of 222 customer reviews. They do come in 4 different colorways: tan, whiskey brown like we have in front of us here today, a Napa black, and a Napa navy blue. The Napa leather is different from the full grain leather you saw here today. I wish I had asked Andar Wallets to send me over a Napa leather wallet or Napa leather AirPods case to really show you the difference, but for the most part, I think I'm pretty satisfied with what I saw here. My biggest complaint with AirPods cases in the past was this little leather hinge on the back that actually keeps the top of the case, you know, connected to the body of the case. Also, like I said previously, the AirPods and AirPods Pro tend to be on the fragile side. The sound quality of the AirPods Pro after having dropped them once or twice is terrible. There's a really awful rattling in the left earbud. So I think if you're going to spend $230 on a case, spend the extra 35 bucks on a really premium, high quality finished leather good for your AirPods Pro case by buying the Capsule. And last but not least, this case for the AirPods is absolutely phenomenal. It really just emphasizes how convenient and portable the original AirPods really are. This has been the Capsule case by AndarWallets.com. Like I said, they come in at $30 and $34 respectively. Because I picked them up at AndarWallets.com, that does make them a convenience good. For now, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions and quick overview. I will be delivering a review in the future on these products and to tell you basically how they've worn over time. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.